This video is specifically for the users who are using Acer Nitro5 and the specific model number is AN515-58. So in the recent BIOS update, there was an issue which many users would have faced, and it was the battery drain issue. Irrespective if you're plugged in your laptop for charging while you play any game, or even when you normally use a laptop without plugging in, the battery used to quickly drain. And I have personally faced this issue that even if the battery percentage was around 35%, it used to quickly drop to maybe 15 or 10, and laptop used to shut down. Now, in order to fix that, in Acer support forums, many would have highlighted the issue, and here is an update available. Now, in order to download the BIOS update which fixes the battery drain issue, please visit the Acer support page and then please look for your laptop's model number, SNID, or the part number. If you have already registered your laptop, it will be displayed here. Else, you can just type in your laptop's model number. So, as this video is specifically for this model number, it's AN515-58. So, just click on your laptop. And then when this page is displayed, ensure you click on BIOS and firmware option. Now in this, the last BIOS update was 2.18. Now this BIOS update, irrespective whether it was for battery or not, created this issue of battery drain. Now this issue is fixed in 2.19. Now how did I figure it out was to simply do the Google search of what this exactly means. Now many viewers would be interested in knowing this in detail. So if you guys want, you can just do a Google search of the issue and read it in detail. So yep, here you can see it is something related to battery and it is the model number which this laptop is equipped with. And the issue was quick drain, or it didn't used to charge with the stock Acer charger. So let's proceed and download the update. Once this update is downloaded, I would recommend you guys to copy paste this zip file on your desktop. Just open the folder, double click on the application, click yes, ensure your laptop is plugged into the charging and has 75% and above battery juice, and let the process do all the checks, background checks, and it will also display you the current BIOS version and which BIOS version it's going to be updated. Now this will give you a warning which says disconnect all the peripherals or maybe external mouse, or also ensure to plug in to the power source and all. Once you have done with that, click on OK and wait for the system to complete the process.